Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a beautiful Thai cold pot pork curry. And the ingredients for that dish are as follows: pork, tenderloin or loin, up to you, onions, garlic, ginger or galangal, lime leaves, chili, lemongrass, sugar, red curry paste, basil, coriander root, eggplant, shrimp paste, chili jam, Thai fish sauce, coconut oil and oil. So first thing up, the oil. Nice hot cold pot pan. Right, I want to do the pork first, right? So pork, nice and hot. Look at that sizzle. Look at that sizzle, folks. Chili jam. Bit of oil in there too. Give that a stir. This will give it a nice rich colour. Whoa, aromas on that coming already folks. Right, look at that. You already see the colour on it, huh? Yeah? How beautiful is that? Some of my favourite smelly shrimp paste. As I always say, if you can, when you're using shrimp paste, I recommend you do it outside, not in the house, and especially not inside a condominium. Unless you do live in Asia, where they do that stuff all the time, then it doesn't really matter because everybody else is doing it, right? Nice colours, look at that. Simple, beautiful, wonderful. Right, garlic. Ginger. Lemongrass, chili, lime leaves, garlic. Nice stir. All those beautiful aromas are coming off that now. And the chili starting to tickle my shoulder. And when it does, when you get that little and you know, when you're not used to frying up chili like that, it will catch you quite strong. I'm a little bit used to it, although it does get me. Yeah. So just fry it off. Red curry paste. Now, palm sugar or just general brown sugar, what we want to do is to leave this to caramelize now. That should take a couple of minutes. See how that's starting to caramelize now? How wonderful. Eggplant. To fry off the eggplant now for a couple of minutes. Look at the colours on that. Ooh. I'm so excited. Cold pot curries. Many Asian countries cook with cold pots. It's just simply wow, you know. Great flavour of the wood or charcoal, whatever you're using. Coconut oil. Now the pork's practically cooked, so I'm going to leave that to simmer for about 10 minutes only. So bring it to the boil and then simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, we'll see. Okay. So basil, coriander root, Thai fish sauce, give it a stir, and we are there, my friends, we are there. Look at that, look at that. beautiful, beautiful, wonderful. Sweet, fragrant, spicy, and a slight woody aroma from the coal pot. This is a winner pork dinner, my friends. Wonderful. These recipes come from my Thai cookbook called The Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand, and it has over 100 recipes from my bike trips that I did when I lived in Thailand. I did over 60-70 motorbike trips over a 6-year period when I was living there. Met some incredible, wonderful, beautiful people who were kind enough to share their recipes with me, and I'm so happy that I can put these all together in one wonderful book, and I'm having fun doing this. It's incredible, and I'm delighted to bring cooking videos with the book as well. That's really good fun. Also in the book, and there are stories of my bike trips at the time. I did diaries, thank goodness for that. And also there's some stories about my life working there as a chef, having to deal with disgruntled, hairy, scary, crazy, buggered up suppliers. It happens, and you know, it's Asia, and parts of Asia is like that. As much as I love Asia, not everything is wonderful and beautiful. It's just life there, isn't it? Death threats, snakes in the office, it's all there, my friends. It's all there. Right, don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Yes, if you want to buy the book, you click on the chef shop icon at the end of the video, and that will take you to the place where you can buy all kind of wonderful stuff, my chef merchandise and everything else. Okay folks, new videos every week. There are approximately over 40 videos to go along with this book, so stay tuned. Yes, stay tuned, my friends, and click here right over my shoulder and subscribe should you like to. Thanks and bon appetit, folks.